My dog keeps on walking back and forth. I cannot start the video. Max, be quiet. You'll be hearing footsteps, dog footsteps, barking here and there. I cannot stop it. I have to film. But anyway, hi everyone. I'm Tracy. I'm back for another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing. Where's my box? Here. Here's my box. Yes, you know, I do unboxing videos on my channel most of the time, and this one is going to be a new to me brand. First time I bought this brand. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. So before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. You can hear my dog walking, jumping. Lexi, put him on the couch.
He's not fighting.
I don't know what he wants. Just put him on the couch.
I'm trying to get him, but he's having... No, Matt. It's difficult. He's a difficult Pomeranian.
Let's go to our box. This is a small box. I've ordered this, influenced by a YouTuber. She mentioned, I can't remember her name. Ashley something. I'll put her name somewhere here. She said that SAKS and Fifth has a promo that if you spend a certain amount, you get a gift card. So I purchased this one. So initially I was thinking of the other bag that has, like, probably I'll get 30% off, but then I'm not sure if I want to spend that. So I opted for the cheaper one. So, but then later on I said I should have gotten a $600 gift card compared to a $200 gift card. So here it is. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. From SAKS Fifth Avenue. Did I say it correctly earlier? Yes, I don't normally check this website. I don't buy, I mean, I usually buy Coach bags and Michael Kors bags, not the luxury bags. But let's see. This is nice. Let's remove it and see. First time I ordered from this company. Oh, this is my gift card. Ah, I have $200 gift card to spend. I have an idea what I'm going to buy. I think it's a card case. And this one is in a box. That's nice. Okay, let's put this one down. So this is the bag. Let's see. Hopefully I like this one. Here's the brand, Saint Laurent. Laurent? How do you pronounce it? Saint Laurent. Ooh, it's in a dust bag, but it's not in like the Saint Laurent box, huh? Let's see. Let's do this. Wow! 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 I like it. I like it. This is the YSL blue camera bag, but it is not black. It is in the color marine. I don't know if the camera is catching the right color of this bag, but yeah, this is in the color marine, and it has that gold tone hardware. I ordered this in the like somewhat navy because I have a Gucci camera bag that's already in a color black, so I don't want to order another black camera bag. So I opted for a marine. I was thinking of getting the nude one or the dark beige, but I chose this one. Well, I thought it was detachable strap, but I guess it's not. It's adjustable, but it's not detachable. So let's put this one here. Wow, seems like this is brand new from the factory. They haven't really touched the shoulder strap. Like there's no marks that it was placed in a hole. This one is still tight. This one has 7 adjustments. I put it on the second to the last. I just eyeball it. I don't know how long this bag is. Let's remove this one. I am happy with this one. It looks nice. It looks, oh, it has the tassel. Look at that. It's not wrinkly. Look at that. See how straight it is? Not even wrinkly. I am happy with this one. So let's do a 360. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And the other side. And this is the bottom of the bag. It has a gold hardware, and let's open this one up and remove the package. Okay, so this is what the card looks like with the color. Okay, after all the packaging, the inside looks like this. It's just like dark fabric lining, and then it has a slip pocket, and it says there Saint Laurent, and in here it has that authenticity card. Wow, wow, smells new. So yes, that's all I can say with this bag. It's a smooth leather. I think this is CALFSKIN. I'm not sure. I'm new to Saint Laurent. I've been seeing this brand in a long time, but I was not paying attention to it. Maybe because they said the resale value for this one is not that really good compared to the other brands like Chanel, Hermes, and Louis Vuitton. So I didn't really like investing in this bag. But lately, I've been seeing like the Lulu bags, and I like it. Even if it's not a good resale, I've already learned that I don't sell my bags. So if there's no if it's not going to be a high resale value, I don't care anymore, because I'll go for what I want now. So okay, I just saw this one on the tassel. It says there's Saint Laurent. This is nice. I am hooked to Saint Laurent. I want the Lulu bag. The toy Lulu. Initially, I wanted the small Lulu bag, but then it was $2,000. This one is $1,300. Yeah, this one is $1,300. But if you buy the $2,000, you get $600 gift card. But I should have gotten that. So at least I have $600, and then that gift card, I can buy this one, and this will go down to what, $7,700. Yeah, next time when it happens, the promo happens. If the promo happens again, then I'll decide which one to get. But I am happy with this purchase. I already have a camera bag, the Gucci one, but we'll see. Initial first impression, I like it, but I have to see more about this bag if I want another camera bag, or I want to exchange this, if I want to exchange this with a toy Lulu. So let's do a quick try on. So this is over my shoulder, and as a crossbody bag. I like it. I like that I chose the marine color, so it's not black, but there's like a hint of blue. So that's it, guys, for our unboxing for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.